Hi, sales enablers. Let's take a look at Showell inside Microsoft Dynamics. Dynamics is a great CRM solution, and with Showell integrated, it becomes even more powerful, helping your teams access and share the right content at the right time. Now keep in mind, Dynamics is customizable, so the way Showell is set up in your system may vary. Some features might appear differently, others might be placed elsewhere, or be named slightly differently, depending on how your admin has configured the workspace. Let's explore. You can access Showell directly inside Dynamics. From the navigation menu, click the Open Showell page, and you'll see the familiar interface with your content and presentations. Need to share something quickly? No problem. Showell provides quick solutions and integrates with key Dynamics pages. Also, from the navigation menu, there's the Share from Showell page. This opens a clean, streamlined version of the Showell Shares tab. From here, you can open any existing share and add recipients, contacts, leads, or opportunities. You can also relate shares to appointments, phone calls, or emails. Plus, you'll see in-depth analytics and recommendations for that share. Want to create a new share? Click the Create Share button. Just add a recipient and relate it to another record if needed. Then, finalize your share just like you would in the Showell app. For step-by-step instructions, check out our dedicated video on content sharing. Once you're ready and click Share, a new email message will open in Outlook or, depending on your setup, your device's default email application. Next, let's look at the Showell Shares page. Here, you'll find a list of all Showell shares created in and outside of Dynamics. At a glance, you can see key analytics and access each share link. Click on a share to explore it further, including who has visited it. You'll also find Showell shares directly linked from records in Dynamics. That includes contacts, leads, opportunities, appointments, emails, and phone calls. Let's open a contact record as an example. Depending on your setup, you'll see the Showell Shares tab either at the top or under the Related tab. Opening it gives you a full overview of all shares connected to that record, along with recent activity. If you need to add another share, just click Add Existing Showell Share to associate another one. So to sum it up, Showell in Microsoft Dynamics helps your team access, present, and share content without ever leaving your CRM workflow. It's fast, connected, and designed to adapt to the way your team works. With Showell, you'll keep enabling those sales, even inside Dynamics.